Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, go to the account section, then to the backup. Here you have to go to the Google account, enable backup to Google Drive feature, then you have to add your account. Of course you will need internet connection to do this. So firstly you have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last tap accept here. And then OK. And after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.